What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and today we have a special guest and some special products from Liqui Moly. This is Jason here, paying us a nice visit. We recently teamed up with Liqui Moly to start offering this to our clients. And Jason, tell us a little bit about what we got right here.
Yeah, thanks, Ben. So today we're here. What we have on the table now, we have the 540 diesel engine oil that we're now offering to all of our customers. We do have this available in different weights, 1030 to be another special weight. And we're also going to be doing our engine oil treatment, which is going to not only prevent engine wear, but it's also going to provide a lot of protection. For example, for whenever you have a cold start, it's going to provide that protection. Moving along to the diesel purge, we're also going to be doing an injector cleaner. This goes applied directly into your fuel filter to provide the best, most concentrated injector cleaning out there in the market. And lastly, we're going to do our diesel performance and cleaner. And what that does is pretty much going to add lubricity to the fuel, and it's going to increase the performance of your vehicle.
So that's pretty cool, because one of the biggest things that I preach here is what do we call it? Lubricity to all the fuel injectors, right? We want a good cetane rating so that we can protect our high pressure pump, our fuel injectors and whatnot. So this right here will actually be something that we can offer to our clients, that we can confidently say, hey, add this. Well, how often do you think the person should use it?
So that's rated for up to 20,000 miles.
Okay.
So it's very user friendly. Most of our fuel treatments come with the cap and the spout, so you can simply just apply it directly into your fuel rail, and it's going to be a complete, easy solution.
And then the diesel purge, this is an actual service. This isn't something you just pour into your tank. What's the process of this thing right
That's correct. So that's going to be our diesel purge injector cleaner, and what that does is it's going to clean all the deposits away from the injectors. And the way it works, it's going to be you apply that into your fuel filter housing or into your spin-on filter. So it's very, very important that you do not put that into your fuel tank to get the utmost protection.
Don't put it in your fuel tank. It goes in the fuel filter. All right. And lastly, we have the oil treatment here. Talk to me a little bit about this right here.
Yeah, so our oil treatment is going to, the main priority of this product is going to provide excellent wear protection. And like I mentioned before, it's excellent to have in your engine at cold start, right? So it provides lubricity whenever there's no oil in the engine at cold start. So,
okay, now I know I'm going to be asked by some of our clients here is, let's say they use this on one oil change and then they move on to their next oil change. Is it okay for them not to use it on the next oil change? Like, they can be off and on it.
It is recommended to use at every oil change due to the fact that the product in here, the additive package in there, comes out with the oil. So it's meant to be used at every oil service to get that same anti-friction protection. Okay.
Well, that's really good, and loving what I'm hearing with them. And then obviously we have our 540 full synthetic oil, right?
Right.
So here at STPDIESEL, if you don't know us, we put our money where our mouth is, and all of these products go into our trucks, like the baby Duramax that we have right here. All of these products that we are going to use to service that truck right there. And as you guys know, here at STPDIESEL, we put our money where our mouth is, and all the products that you see here we use on our personal vehicles. And like you see here, our baby Duramax is going to get a fresh bumper-to-bumper service using Liqui Moly. So this bad boy, not only is she going to perform well, but she's going to be serviced by some of the best products out there. Thank you guys again. If you guys have any questions, concerns on anything you see here, any content, give us a call at the office or message us on social media. Thank you guys.